In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell using the Bank of America websites, specifically focusing on stock market investing. Whether you're just starting out or looking to understand more about how online investing works through your Bank of America account, these steps will guide you through the process clearly and efficiently. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll need to log in to your Bank of America online banking account. If you're new to this, make sure you have your credentials ready, and it's always a good idea to ensure your connection is secure. Once you've logged in, look for the Merrill Edge investing platform. It's located within your account dashboard and is the hub for all of your investment activities. Next, before you start buying stocks or ETFs, you need to fund your Merrill Edge account. This is crucial as it ensures you have the necessary capital to invest without delays. You can easily transfer money from your Bank of America checking or savings account directly into your Merrill Edge account. Simply follow the prompts to enter the amount and verify the transfer. Now, with your account funded, it's time to research stocks or ETFs you're interested in. The Merrill Edge platform offers several tools and resources. Take your time to explore these options, including company profiles, performance charts, and the latest stock market trends. This research is essential in making informed decisions about your investments, tailored to your financial goals and risk tolerance. Once your research is in place and you've identified a stock or ETF to invest in, navigate to the section where you can place a buy order. Selecting the right stock or ETF is just part of the process. Here, you'll specify how many shares you want to purchase. Ensure everything is accurate, review the current prices, and then proceed to confirm your buy order. Remember, diligence in checking these details helps avoid any potential purchasing errors. After buying, knowing how to sell your stocks is equally important. If at any point you decide to sell your investments, revisit your Merrill Edge account and choose the stock or ETF you want to sell. Just like buying, you'll be asked to specify details like the number of shares and the selling price. Review all information carefully before confirming your sell order. This ensures you make strategic decisions based on market conditions and your investment objectives. Finally, it's crucial to track and manage your investments regularly. Merrill Edge provides tools that allow you to monitor the performance of your stocks and ETFs and make adjustments as needed. Staying informed about market trends and the health of your investments can help you in making timely decisions, setting you up for potential long-term success. And that wraps up today's guide on buying and selling on Bank of America's website using Merrill Edge for investing. Keep experimenting, stay informed, and happy investing.